welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm doing really good today. I've been super busy. I have cleaned my house. I have baked peanut butter cookies today. The sun is shining, so it has been a wonderful day. If you guys are new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit that little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. So with that being said, let's get into this unboxing. Today, I do have my Slut Box. I actually canceled this box. This month is terrible. I have already opened it. I know what's in it, and it is absolutely awful. I was expecting something better. I thought this box would get better, the products would get better, but it just has gotten worse. I lost my words. I was debating on whether to do this video or not, but I decided why not. I'll show you guys what I got, but I have canceled this box. October will be my last month since I have already paid for this box for next month. So with that being said, let's get into this unboxing. Like I said, this is my Slut Box by Amber Rose. So here is the box. We will just get into it. It has all the same little drawings inside the box as it usually has. So my phone always goes off when I start filming. So this is what it looks like when you open up the box. It is the same as every other month with the pink tissue paper. And then we have our ginormous magazine with Amber Rose on the front and a lot of information and everything that is inside the box. So the first thing that I pull out is called Bring It Up. It is Fashion and Intimate Collection Instant Breast Lift. And I will probably never use these, but there is the packaging for it. This retails for, let me see if it's even in here. These retail for $5. So instant breast lift, I will probably never use them. The next thing, we have a whole bunch of little pamphlets in here. We have this little card. It is a gift card to the Body Adapting Smart Personal Massager, which again, I will probably never use this either, but there is a little gift card. The next thing I'm pulling out is Apothecary Golden Dream. This is some tea. It says a bedtime-inspired blend of chamomile, spearmint, orange peel, lemongrass, rose petals, linden leaf, blackberry leaf, hawthorn berry, and hemp-derived CBD. So we've got some little tea here. I'll try this out, and this retails for $10. The next thing I'm pulling out is Amber. It is a roll-on perfume oil, and here is the little bottle for it. And this retails for, if I can find it in my little booklet here, $12. And the fragrance, the scent of it is amber. It smells like clay to me. Like I said, I've already opened this box and seen what is in it, and I'm not impressed whatsoever because this box is close to $30. So it smells awful, to be honest. So there's that perfume. Then we have some Wet and Wasted. I don't know what this is. I did not open this, so I don't know what's in this little baggie. What are these? These are, I don't even think this is in here. It's not in here. It looks like little nipple covers or something, but it just says Wet and Wasted on it. Don't know what they're used for. The next thing I'm pulling out is an Estate Do Me. This is a baked highlighter. It retails for $10. And this is in the shade, I think this is in the shade Do Me. Oh, here's the little box. And I think we did get one of these in one of my other subscription boxes. I think it was Yes So Yes. And it is a pink highlighter. Here's the highlighter. And I really do like this color, and it is really soft. So there it is on my finger. So that's one thing that I will use in this box. The next thing is this, and this is a green tea toner. Refresh and tone your skin with green tea, rosemary, peppermint, and vitamin C. It says key ingredients to help fight the signs of aging by improving the elasticity, tone, and texture of your skin. So here is, it's like washing out everything. Here's that little toner. And this retails for $22. I have not smelled this yet, so it smells good. It smells like green tea. Moving right along, the next thing, this is the Rose Quartz. We were supposed to get this in our last box, but something had happened with it. This is a medium raw Brazilian rose quartz stone and intention card. And this is $13. It says, did you know the rose quartz is the universal stone of love, named for its beautiful, soft, hazy rose color. It calms and opens the heart to promote love in all of its forms, romance, self-love, friendship, deep inner healings, and feeling of peace. So we've got this little, I will open this up. I haven't opened this yet either. But this was supposed to come last month, but something happened with the manufacturer. It's just a little card. It says self-love, inner peace, and healing. And then it has a little description on the back. It says, you may experience love in many forms throughout life, but none more powerful than the fearless love of yourself. This rose quartz is dedicated to elevating it. So it is just a pink stone. I do collect little stones and rocks like this, so I will definitely set this out and add it to my little collection. So there's that little stone that was $13. The next thing is in this little bag. It's this little card. It says, do not disturb. And it is a 15% off some lube by Amber Rose. So just came with these 2 pieces of paper. And then we have a gift card for some, what is this? Chapstick. We have a button, which will probably get thrown away. It says slut on it. I don't know where I would ever put that. The next thing I'm pulling out is this itty bitty little jar, and everything in here is supposed to be full size. So this is this made me upset because this is really tiny. And this is an Egyptian Magic Skin Cream. So for being a skin cream, it's really small. I'm not going to get much use. It says, a multi-purpose skin cream formulated, used to keep skin radiant and glowing. So it doesn't have a smell to it. It is used for face moisturizer, makeup primer, lip balm, eye cream, sun treatment, massage balm, tattoo aftercare, stretch marks, and even diaper rash. And it is like a balm consistency. It's not like a actual like hand cream. It doesn't have a smell to it. I could probably just like use it on my lips, but that is a very small size when everything is supposed to be full size. And there was a chapstick in here, but I lost it. It was Miss Betty's Badass Balm, and it was $4. I don't know what happened to it. It's not in my box, but I did receive that, and it smells good. It's like a spearmint, so I will be using that. And then oh wait, here's the chapstick. I found it. It is just a standard white chapstick. So we did get a chapstick, and it is $4. And then the last thing we got was this little egg thing, which this sent me over the top with this box. This is the Egg Stepper or Egg Silky. I have opened it because I didn't know what it was. I got the Egg Silky, and this is something for a man. It's a personal massager for a man. Me, myself, this box was to inspire women and empower women. And by putting something like this in a box for a man, like what are we going to do with it? It comes with a little thing of lube in there, and then this is the actual thing. You put the lube inside of here, and take it from there. But I'm not going to go into much detail about this, but here's this little silicone egg thing. It says it's even for a man. Yeah. It says anybody with male genitals. And then it tells you how it works and the lube and everything. So this really upset me. Like I said, this box is to empower women and inspire women. And mostly women do get this box. I'm sure some men do. But this set me over the edge. So here's this thing. I mean, it's fun to play with. So I don't know. That was everything that was in the box. And for $30, I don't think that it's worth it. I try not to make negative videos on my channel, but this one, I just wanted to let you guys know that this month it was totally not worth $30. So like I said at the beginning, I did cancel this box. Next month will be my last month receiving it. So that is everything that is in this box. I am very sorry that it was a fast video just because I'm not very happy with this box. So that is all for this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions about this box this month. Do you guys think it was worth the $30? In my opinion, it was not worth the money. I just think it keeps getting worse and worse. So I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions. And again, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!